Hey beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today I'm going to show you how I create my red carpet Hollywood glam makeup look and hairstyle. So today is going to be probably a little longer in terms of tutorials than I usually do, but I'm going to show you how I create the Hollywood wave and also how I create my Hollywood glam makeup look. So obviously this is just my own interpretation, this is just a look that I love and I wear so frequently, and I really wanted to share it with you because I have had so many questions about how I create this look that I just thought, you know what, I need to get on camera and do this for you. So yeah, if you want to find out how I created this look, then keep on watching. So the first step in creating the Hollywood glam look is to do the makeup. So you may be looking at my hair thinking what on earth is going on there, but all will be revealed. First of all, let's do the makeup. So first I'm going to prep my eye, and I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to take a flat brush, well it's actually a blending brush, and I'm just going to spritz it like so, and I'm literally going to take that and cover my entire lid. Now there's nothing on this blending brush, it's literally just plain, and the reason that I'm doing this is because this will now enhance the shimmer shade that I'm going to apply on top. So today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, which is just a really nice rusty shimmer. And that shade, I've got the card right here, and it's called Hillster. I'm just going to take another blending brush, dip it into that shade, and just cover my entire lid. As you can see, because of the Prep and Prime, this shade has gone from slightly shimmery to really intense. And that's what we want to achieve here. We want just something really quick, really simple, but really quite beautiful as well. So I'm literally just taking that and covering my entire lid, like so. And now I'm going to take another blending brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and this is called Roxanne. And what I'm going to do with that is literally just blend that over the top into my crease. And this just gets rid of any harsh lines, but you don't really need to do all that much with this shade. You literally just want it just to blend out harsh lines, like so. And then I'm going to take a thicker brush, and I'm going to dip it into Jack's, which is this really deeper reddy brown shade. Just apply that onto this brush, and I'm literally just going to pop that in my outer corner slightly. You won't really see this shade all that much, but it does slightly intensify the outer corner, which is lovely. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a clean makeup wipe, and we're going to clean up those edges. So I'm literally just going to take it in my finger like so, so my nails there, and I'm literally just going to swoop. And now I'm going to take just a small brush. I'm going to dip it back into Hillster, which is the shimmer shade. I'm just going to apply that underneath the lower lashes. So that's the eye makeup done. Now to do the face. So what I'm going to do is just quickly run you through these steps, because you know how to apply foundation, you know how to apply concealer, mascara, etc. So let's just quickly run through that, and then we can get onto the hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some foundation. Today I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation, but you can use whatever foundation you like, really is up to you. So that's foundation done. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Give Me Sun Skin Mineralizing Powder, which is what I always use, and I'm just going to apply that to my entire face. This just gives me like a nice warm glow. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I'm going to highlight with this today. So I'm going to put 3 dabs there, down my nose, above my cupid's bow. And I'm just going to take a small fluffy brush and just pat that in, because what you want to achieve with that is just a nice shimmer, it's like a healthy glow. now we're going to highlight properly. So I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow palette, and I'm going to take this goldy shade right here. Obviously use the highlight that's right for your skin tone. This is just right for mine. And I'm just going to put it on top, just patting it on top of the Hollywood Flawless Filter. And what that does, it just intensifies it slightly. Now for blusher, I'm going to use my NARS palette. And I'm going to take this red shade right here. And then just for mascara and brow gel. And now finally adding some lipstick. So I'm going to firstly go in with Unique, and this is in the shade Primal. And then I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Red Carpet Red lipstick. So for me, when I think of Hollywood Glam, I think of red lipstick. Red lipstick is very Hollywood to me. But if you want to go nude, nude would look fantastic with this look as well. And now finally the hair. So I get asked so many questions about how to create a really nice Hollywood wave. Every time I do my hairstyle like this, I get so many questions. So I thought I'd show you how I create the look. Obviously, I curl my hair as normal. The tongue that I use is a GHD curler, and I think this is called the Curve. So this is the hair tool that I use. So curl my hair as normal. I split it into sections and just curl round. I'm going to show you actually how I do it, which is why I haven't done the top of my hair yet. So let me show you how I do my hair. So I get a paddle brush. So what I do to create my Hollywood wave, obviously I've curled the bottom, and now I have a parting, like a side parting, and my curls will fall this way on my face. So to do that, I have to first separate the hair because I can't curl it all at once. So I split my hair like so, get the curler, and split my hair into sections. And then just wrap it round, and I clamp down. And then I'll flick this section and pull it over, and I'll do the same to that, like so. So now the hair is fully curled. This is how I create my wave. So I take my paddle brush and I literally brush it through my hair. Just gently, you don't need to have too many brushes, just 1 or 2 strokes just to loosen up the curls. Make sure the curls are cold before you do this, otherwise your curls will drop out. And you literally just take it like so. So you see how it's now gone a little softer. So what I do is I just take that, tuck it behind my ear, usually flick it back, and then I take the front, rough it up at the top, follow the curl down slightly with my fingers, make sure it looks all neat. So that's it, that is how you create the Hollywood curl. That's how I create my Hollywood curl. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye beauties!